Book of Heaven, Volume 2, September 16th, 1899. Effects and Value of Suffering Only for God. This morning my adorable Jesus came, and since I feared it might be the devil, I said to him, "Permit me to sign your forehead with the cross." And in the very act of saying this, I signed him, and so I remained more reassured and tranquil. Now, blessed Jesus seemed tired and wanted to rest in me. And since I too felt tired from the sufferings of the past days, especially because of his very few visits, I felt the necessity to rest in him. So, after we contended together for a little bit, he told me,
"The life of the heart is love. I am like an infirm person who is burning with fever and keeps looking for refreshment, for a relief in the fire that devours him. My fever is love, but from where do I extract the refreshments and the reliefs which are most suitable for the fire that consumes me? From the pains and toils suffered by souls beloved to me, only for love of me. Many times I wait and wait for that moment in which the soul turns to me to tell me, 'Lord, only for love of you do I want to suffer this pain.' Ah, yes, these are the reliefs and refreshments most suitable for me, which cheer me and dampen the fire that consumes me."
After this, he threw himself into my arms, languishing in order to rest. While Jesus was resting, I comprehended many things about the words spoken by Jesus, especially about suffering for love of him. Oh, what a coin of inestimable value! If we all knew it, we would compete with one another to suffer more. But I believe we are all short-sighted in knowing this coin so precious, and this is why one does not come to having knowledge of it. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.